went back to destroying LG. Sorry. I have to find the battery because it has no back. And this is one of my old phones. I found it over there, and I can't find the battery. So if you guys would appreciate me finding the battery, because I probably know the back is gone. Yeah, this phone got dropped in a fire, and it still works. Yeah, this thing was lit, fire everywhere. Dropped it right there. And the screen damage is not good, and the back melted, but the battery's okay. But, bye! LG! LG! Ooh, my God, I found a piece of a phone. I don't know where the back is of the phone. But the phone is not okay. I don't know if it's okay. Honestly, I gotta find the battery, which I actually don't know where it is. But okay. I know the phone doesn't work anymore. I know that. Phone. I threw it in the screen. The screen flew off. Oh my God, the speaker still works. Yeah, I don't think that's good. It's dead. I think I killed it. That froze snapped the screen. Even if the screen stayed on, I don't think it would work. Yeah, because... Oh my God, the screen. Oh, it's not good. We have to go throw this way, but we're not done destroying the phone, guys. We still got a bunch of stuff to do. Just saying, what am I doing, right? Well, watch this! Die! Now it won't work. Okay, oh my God, the screen! It shattered! Oh my God, this phone's vibrating. It's vibrating. I don't know where the garbage is. Oh yeah, here it is. That's where I put all my pieces. But it's vibrating. It's vibrating. Oh my God, did you hear it turning on? You can hear. But where's this? Hey, it still works. It still works.
Does it?
It vibrates.
Wow.
So, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for not watching. But, we're not over yet. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Leave a like and subscribe. However, but that thing's garbage. I shouldn't have threw it. Ow! I dropped this, landed on my freaking hurt. Ow, but okay. See if it works. Oh my God, oh, it stopped. I don't think that's good, but blew it on. Hello guys, welcome to destroying perfectly normal LG flip phone, because it just flips. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like today's video. Bye.